How to transfer contacts from Android to iPhone easily. Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you a quick and easy way to transfer contacts from your Android phone to iPhone. First thing first you need to do is go ahead and open up your contacts on Android. Once you open up your contacts, you can find the organize option at the bottom right. And if you're using Google Contacts, then it will automatically sync all of your contacts across all of your devices. Now you can create an export file with Google Contacts. So tap on export to file. Now go ahead and select your desired account and tap on export. Select a contact destination. So I'll just go ahead and do it on downloads. Tap on save. Now as you can see, your contacts will be exported shortly. You can easily go ahead and share this file with your other device or your iPhone, and you can easily export your contacts this way as well. And that is basically it, guys. Now you can also restore contacts from your backup from your Android devices. So tap on this and you should be able to import your contacts on your iPhone. I hope this was helpful. Hit the like button below and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.